That's right. This is Tom, your Action News weather reporter. You won't believe it. It's been raining since midnight. They said that we've already gotten over 9 inches of rain, and now it's all turned into freezing sleet and snow. That's right. It's coming down in big clips, too. You can see it. But this won't last long. And then it's just going to get down to about 26 degrees in the morning, and this is all going to freeze over. But the road surface temperature is way too warm for any of this stuff to really stick. But it's sure coming down, man. You can hear it on the roof up here. Look at that. Big flakes. Hey, you know what's funny? The HOA had power washing scheduled for today. The townhomes had to be scheduled. So they picked a really great day to do some power washing, ain't it? In fact, the idiots are here. You won't believe it. See them over there at the trash dumps with the ladders and everything? Yeah, they're supposed to be out here power washing. What a bunch of idiots. But boy, you can see it coming down now. Look at that. Weird weather, man. That's all I can say. I got a bunch of loose limbs all over the place, but yeah. When they haul my ass back inside, man. It's nasty out there. Good God. Yep. This is a great day to stay indoors. I mean, it's wet, nasty. I mean, my hair is already totally soaked. This is nasty, man. Nasty weather right there, bro. And this is going up the East Coast, too, all the way up to Canada. Nice, and then I'll move out into the ocean. There you go. Snowing in Raleigh after 2 weeks of 70-degree weather. Perfect. Talk to you guys later.